I'm so hungry.
Yummy snacks for sale! Snacks for sale!
Snacks? Hi!
Hi, how can I help you?
Can I have some snacks?
Sure, what would you like?
Can I have these?
Just put your coin in and press the button, please.
Thank you. Bye.
You're welcome. Bye.
Ooh, I'm so hungry. I need to go find a snack.
Yummy snacks for sale. Snacks for sale.
Oh, there's a vending machine over there with snacks. Let's go. Hi.
Hi, how can I help you?
Can I have some snacks, please?
Sure, what would you like?
Can I have the chips, please?
Just put your coin in and press the button, please.
Thanks, bye.
You're welcome. Bye.
Hulk has a vending machine? I'll wait till he leaves and then I'll go take all of his stuff.
I'm gonna take a little break, guys. I'll be right back.
Ooh, he's leaving, guys. This is my chance to go take all his stuff. Time to do some shopping. Oh, no! Thanks for all the free goodies, Hulk.
Where'd all my stuff go? I know what to do. Hi, can you help me? Someone stole all my food. Okay, bye.
This looks like a good spot to enjoy my snacks.
Luckily, it's Thanos who took all the snacks. Let's go sneak up on him.
Okay.
You took all my stuff. Give it back.
You caught me this time, but I'll get you guys next time.
Oh, Leah, he's gone. At least we got our snacks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. I'm all ready for the first day of school, guys. I got all my supplies in here.
It will come true. Then the greatest victory will be that which has no battle.
But how do we prevent a war? How do we we know so
Our apologies for this interruption. We have been receiving complaints that kids are missing their school supplies. We believe that this person is responsible for the disappearing of the school supplies. If you see this person, please contact the police right away.
Oh my goodness, guys. We better check if my school supplies is still there.
I see a house over there. Maybe they have some school supplies that I can take.
I see the robber, guys. She's in my backyard. I need to call the police. Hello, hello? Yes? Is this the police? Yes, what's the problem? Can you help me? There's a robber in our house. Yes, I'll help you. I'll be there in a sec. Okay, thank you.
Oh, I see a nice Lego Ninjago backpack in there, guys. There must be some really cool school supplies there.
Hey, you! Finally got you. No more stealing school supplies for you. Now you're going to jail.
You're gonna have to catch me first.
Oh yeah? We'll see about that. Get back over here. She's fast, guys. Whoa! so fast. You're going to jail.
Oh man, guys, I'm in jail. I just wanted to have some school supplies too. I promise I won't do it again.
I'm glad we caught the robber, guys. Never take something what's not yours. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!
Hi guys! Today we are doing the marker challenge with superheroes. We have our wheel here with all of our superheroes on it. We're each going to take a turn, and whoever it lands on, that's who we get to color. Are you guys ready to get started?
Yeah!
Okay, who's gonna go first?
Me.
Okay, Anwar, it's your turn first. Spin the
Okay.
wheel.
Captain America. Okay, guys, I got Captain America. What are these guys gonna get now?
Okay, guys, it's our turn now. Leah, who do you want to get?
That.
Wonder Woman?
Yes.
Okay, let's spin the wheel and see. Batman!
Okay, guys, now we got our pictures. Now let's color.
Okay, guys, so Leah's done her Batman picture. Do you like it? You did a good job.
Here's my finished Captain America, guys.
Okay, guys, that's the end of the first round. What do you guys think? Did we do it better, Batman? Or Captain America? I think it's us, right, Leah?
No, it's me.
Okay, guys, now we're on to round 2. It's gonna be mine and Leah's turn. Okay, Leah, spin the wheel. Iron Man! Woohoo!
Now it's my turn, guys. I hope I get Spiderman. Oh, Wonder Woman.
Okay, guys, we got our pictures. Let's start.
Oh, you like my Iron Man pink?
Yeah,
I like you. What's her name?
Wonder Woman. This is my finished Wonder Woman.
And this is our finished Iron Man.
Okay, guys, which one do you think is better?
Okay, guys, we're gonna go for one last round, and Anwar gets to spin first this time.
Yay!
Ah, he got Hulk. Okay, Leah, it's our turn. Spiderman! Yay! We got Spiderman. Okay, guys, these are the characters that we got.
Leah, do you want to trade?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, guys, here are our pictures for the last round. Do you guys like our Hulk better?
Yes.
Or Anwar's Spider-Man?
Don't you guys like mine better? Because it looks so cool.
Yes.
Ours looks cool too, guys. What do you guys think? Okay, guys, we have Hulk on the left and Spider-Man on the right. Give us a big thumbs up if you guys like our drawings.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!